Hello, Tara 916. I'm Joe Bob 1/2. Um, this is in response to things that I am blessed about. Um, I am blessed. Three things I'm blessed about. I feel that I'm blessed to live in a country where, for the most part, you're free to do anything you want within reason, of course. A country where you're pretty much allowed to say whatever you want. Do whatever, not do whatever you want, but you get what I mean. That, a country where, a little guy on a soapbox has just as much right to say something as the governor of the state. They have equal amount of right to say something. And for that, I'm blessed. I am also blessed to have a girlfriend who loves me with all her heart, who I love with all my heart. I am very blessed for that. What else am I blessed about? I gotta have three, so I don't want to be cheap and say something about technology or YouTube, because I'm also blessed to have YouTube. But, let me think. I am blessed to know and to have in my life so many people who care for me on and off of YouTube. People who can support me. People who can see beyond the fact. And to be able to live in a world where there's still there are people out there who can see beyond the fact that someone's Jewish, someone's black, someone's white, someone's Catholic, someone's Protestant. To be able to live in a world where there are some people out there who can see beyond what you are and see who you are. And that is how I am blessed. That's it. This is... Oh, and to any of my subscribers who have a webcam and do use it, go forth. Go to Tara 916 and say why you are blessed. And that is all. This is Joe Bob 1/2, preaching two things: love and peace.